Deductive reasoning is a process of subtraction. It isn't about guessing the correct answer, it's about methodically chipping away at impossibilities until the only remaining options are the ones that must be true. We start with a blank 4-digit passcode board and 10 possible digits. Our first constraint, the passcode uses only odd numbers. By removing the evens, we narrow our focus to 5 digits. We've reduced 10,000 combinations down to a manageable field. We are also told that 3 is the smallest digit used in this code. Because 3 must be the lowest value present, we can strike the 1 from our list. Now that we know no numbers are repeated and we have exactly 4 digits left for 4 empty slots, every remaining number must be used. Identifying these specific elements is necessary before we determine where they sit. To find our first position, we look to the requirement that 3 is the last digit of the code. This gives us a fixed point on the board, a spatial anchor we can use to measure everything else. Next, we consider the relationship between the numbers. The largest and smallest digits must have exactly 1 digit between them. Since the 3 is in the final slot, where must the largest digit go to satisfy that 1-digit gap? Our largest digit is 9. To have exactly 1 digit between the 9 and our anchored 3, we skip a slot and move to the second position. Placing the 9 here is the only way to maintain that specific distance. This shows how we can solve spatial logic by mapping relative distances against fixed absolute positions. We are left with 2 numbers, 5 and 7, but no further instructions to tell us which one comes first. They could effectively sit in either of the 2 remaining spots. It's common for a puzzle to leave a board looking incomplete. This ambiguity can be distracting, but it doesn't necessarily mean the problem is unsolvable. To find the answer, look closely at what is actually being asked. We only need to identify the hundreds digit. The hundreds digit is the second digit from the left. Even though we don't know the order of the other numbers, the 9 is already locked into that specific spot. This strategy works for most logic-based puzzles. Define your pool, place your anchors, and measure the gaps. And remember that you often don't need the whole picture to find the specific answer you're looking for.